Hey class, I thought since we are dealing with the home quarantine and the coronavirus, I figured I might try doing my first vlog. In case you don't know what a vlog is, V-L-O-G, it's kind of like a blog, but it's by video. It's kind of like a video diary, just conversational, just sharing your random thoughts. This is probably the most impactful event that's happened since World War II to the whole world. A lot of deaths, a lot of people getting really sick. Most, if not all, the population's been forced to shelter at home at this time for 3 weeks or longer. I just thought I'd talk about my experience. It might be neat to look back a year or years from now and see what my thoughts were on this at the time. Some of the things I've been doing, I'm a teacher, so I have an essential job. We've converted from teaching in the classroom to teaching online completely. My class has been challenging because I can't get equipment for video for my students. They can't go out in public and film. They can't meet with their team members. So I'm having to get creative. We're doing a lot of career research stuff, lectures, stuff like that. I've set up a little mini office in the front room of my house with a coffee table and mic and laptop. This is where I do all my work, and I've been shooting out a lot of videos to my YouTube channel. The channel's doing pretty well. I've finally, about 4 months ago, reached over 1,000 viewers. It's been kind of inspired me to get back into making more videos. Daily life. When you're stuck at home, you pretty much wear the same clothes every day. Quite often you forget to wear deodorant. Haven't shaved. I needed a haircut, so it gave me the Corona cut. Cut it real short. Good thing is I don't have to wear hair product. We've been cooking a lot of at-home meals. We did break down and order out about 5 times. 3 of the 5 times have been to Chick-fil-A. We have a weak spot for that. To pass time, we've played a lot of cards, Uno. My son has this game called Exploding Kittens. We play that. Me and my wife, we collaborated on a video project. She likes to cook and I like to make videos, so we made a cooking video. So we had a lot of fun doing that.
I use a butter knife to just kind of test it to make sure that it's done. Those are good.
I'm hoping to try to talk her into making more cooking videos in the near future. Been watching a lot of Netflix. Everybody's talking about the Tiger King right now. That's dysfunction at its greatest. I binge watched the whole season 3 of Ozark. That was very good. What else is going on? We still have not found toilet paper. Fortunately, we do have some. It'll probably last us another 2 or 3 weeks, but we're actively making sure we have enough. Stores are all completely out. Toilet paper, Germ-X, hand sanitizer, Lysol. A lot of that stuff's like gold right now. We have had to go out a few times for groceries. When I've done that, I've had gloves. My mother made us a mask, and thank you for that. It's been a change. I'm kind of an introvert, so I don't mind staying in. My son's the same way. He pretty much, his life hadn't changed much because he likes to play the Xbox, and him and his friends, that's how they socialize. So he's done that. Kathy's been good. Her work, thankfully, allows her to do a lot of it from home. So she's been home for 3 weeks now. That's pretty much what life's been like the past few days. One thing I might say about now is it makes me think about how many innovations that may come out of this, because this has never happened before. Most schools aren't built to do distance learning. Teachers aren't trained to do distance learning. Teachers don't have materials to do distance learning. Appreciate your kids' teachers right now, because most of them are like me. We've been working around the clock trying to get content in a new way out to the kids to make sure that they're not falling behind on their education. The grocery industry Everything's going online. You can pay with Apple Pay or pay online. Don't have to touch anything. Spread germs. Thank you to the people that are working in the grocery industry. You're on the front lines and you're making yourself exposed to a lot of that's going out there. Food industries, a lot of food restaurants are very accommodating. People are allowed to order in. So many innovations and changes. I bet things are going to be different from this point on. The government, we've never had to do this before to this extreme. I imagine next one comes around, they're going to be more prepared. I think they're doing a pretty decent job considering the situation. We're dealing with something that just hadn't happened on this level before. Medical industry, they're going to have better ways in the future on how to test and get people helped as quickly and efficiently as possible. So I could just go on and on about the innovations and new things going on. I just wanted to kind of document what's going on with our lives right now. Looking forward, I got about another month of quarantine. Starting to get a little cabin fever. Miss going out, miss seeing my students, miss seeing my friends, my family, my mom, my sister, brother, everybody. That's crazy. Our daughter's due to have a baby, our first grandchild next week. They won't even let us go to the hospital at that time, so we're pretty bummed about that, but we're gonna go to their house and watch their dog for them while they're gone and be able to see the baby when they come back. We're gonna shelter at home and not be exposed to anybody the next week and a half till the baby's born, so there won't be any exposure to any virus or anything for the baby. We're looking forward to that. We're lucky. I'm very blessed. I really don't have anything to complain about. I got everything I need at home. A lot of people don't. A lot of people are losing their jobs right now. It's pretty impactful. The economy is going to take a big hit, but I got a feeling once this is over, it's going to bounce right back and be better than ever. You can quote me on that. We'll see in about 6 months any of these predictions. Hopefully we won't ever have to go through something like this again. It's a big awakening, big wake-up call. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my vlog. I'm sure some of y'all got some crazy things, random thoughts you think about, like that song My Corona's been going through my head. Can't stop thinking about it. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all next time. See y'all later. Take care.
Hey class, if you like this video, please click like below and subscribe to this channel. Also, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.